Review Ted's Woodworking. Pros and cons of Ted's Woodworking, a fair judgment. Pros of Ted's Woodworking. It is the right package that works with step-by-step instructions for all the projects. Here, you can get your layout and plan for more than 16,000 projects to do whatever you want at any time. You can get direct help from woodworkers to assist you in any project without making it difficult for you. It is the appropriate package that works well with detailed directions for all the projects. Here, you will discover your design and plan for over 16,000 tasks to accomplish everything you desire at any time. You can get immediate assistance from woodworkers to help you with any project without making it challenging for you. Completing your project professionally, cheaply, and quickly can be done all the time effortlessly. Through email or forum support, you will be able to get lifelong support from the expert woodworkers. You will be able to complete your project without any difficulty since all the help you required will be given to you. Cons of Ted's Woodworking. There are few disadvantages of these plans, which include: you will not be able to achieve the expected results if the guidelines given by Ted is not followed accordingly or if any step from the listed schedule is avoided. It is not available offline. With virtually all the number of blueprints available, it is but typical for the business of these components to be a little complicated. Although these offers are arranged under various classes for easy location, the vast quantity of plans might get a bit too much to handle for the user. Click the descriptive link below to watch the video tutorials specific to you.